Hello, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss that is changing the game in the digital marketing world. We're going to explore how AI is revolutionizing your digital strategy. So, if you're ready, let's dive right in. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is no longer just a buzzword. It's become an integral part of our lives, and it's reshaping the way businesses approach marketing. AI technology has the power to enhance your digital strategy, optimize your campaigns, and deliver exceptional results. So, how exactly is AI transforming the digital marketing landscape? Let's take a closer look at some key areas. First and foremost, AI enables marketers to provide a personalized customer experience. By analyzing vast amounts of data, AI algorithms can understand consumer behavior, preferences, and purchase patterns. This allows businesses to deliver tailored content, recommendations, and offers, creating a more engaging and relevant experience for their customers. Chatbots, for example, are a popular AI-powered tool that interacts with customers in real time, answering their questions and providing assistance. They can simulate human-like conversations, ensuring that customers feel heard and valued. Secondly, AI revolutionizes data analysis. In the digital world, data is king, and AI helps businesses make sense of it all. With AI algorithms, marketers can quickly process and analyze massive volumes of data, extracting valuable insights and identifying trends that may have otherwise gone unnoticed. These insights enable businesses to make data-driven decisions, optimize their campaigns, and target their audience with precision. For instance, predictive analytics can anticipate customer behavior, allowing marketers to tailor their strategies accordingly and maximize their ROI. Lastly, AI streamlines advertising processes. With programmatic advertising, AI algorithms can automate ad placements, targeting the right audience at the right time, and optimizing campaigns in real time. This saves marketers valuable time and resources while ensuring their ads reach the most relevant viewers. Furthermore, AI-powered ad platforms can analyze ad performance data and adjust bidding strategies on the fly. This optimization process maximizes ad performance and minimizes costs, ultimately improving the return on investment for businesses. In conclusion, AI is transforming digital marketing in incredible ways. From personalized customer experiences to enhanced data analysis and automated advertising, AI technologies are revolutionizing the way businesses engage with their audiences and drive growth. As we move forward, it's crucial for marketers to embrace AI and leverage its power to stay ahead of the competition. By integrating AI into your digital strategy, you can unlock new possibilities, optimize your campaigns, and achieve remarkable results. That's it for today's video. I hope you found this exploration of AI in marketing insightful and inspiring. If you did, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more exciting content. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.